Hello and welcome back to another video. If you're new, click that subscribe button, and if you're a regular, great to see you again. In this video, I'm heading back again to Ulster Model Car Club to take part in round 10 of their Winter Touring Car Championship. The last time there was absolutely fantastic, and out of 6 races I won 5. That was the 3 qualifiers and the 3 finals. I won all the qualifiers and won 2 of the finals to take the overall win for the day. And that was racing with an old radio and old wheels and tyres, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to take this a bit more seriously. So I treated myself to a brand new Sanwa M17 wheel transmitter, and also treated the car to a brand new set of wheels and tyres, which I thought was going to be phenomenal. But as you'll see in just a minute, it turned out to be the downfall of the day. As you'll be able to see from this clip here, the first qualifying round was absolutely deadly. I just couldn't keep the thing in a straight line. I was spinning out. I even tried to warm the tyres up by doing a few donuts beforehand, which ordinarily, I must say, this car would never do. It normally grips like muck to a blanket, but it just wasn't happening here at all. I couldn't get round the track. It didn't give me any confidence whatsoever, and before you know it, the inevitable happened. I can't even go down. There we go, there's the first breakage. First breakage was what I was trying to say. Just wait till you see the state of this car. I think that's me out for the day. So that was the first qualifying, and it didn't really go according to plan. As you could see in the final straight, it just brushed the edge. That one really did not go according to plan. I'm pretty sure the threads will be mangled in this, but I don't have any spare hubs. We'll have to see. It's back together. Whether it holds or not for the day, I don't know. Definitely learnt a lesson about new tyres, getting them scrubbed in, so I should have spent more time practicing this morning to do that rather than just going straight out to qualifying. I will go and speak to one of the guys here and see if it's worthwhile putting them on. One of the guys had like a wee lathe type thing there. You could spin the tyres on and put sandpaper on them and bed them in, so I'll go see him, see if it's worthwhile doing that, and fingers crossed we're good to go for the next qualifier. Chris, fellow racer, has said he's going to sort my tyres out for me. I've no idea what we're going to do, but he says this is what you do. Is that brake cleaner, is it? Yeah. Right, so get the tyres clean with brake cleaner first. Then scuff them down with some sandpaper before prepping them with tyre additive. Brilliant. Well, thank you. We'll give that a go. We'll give that a go and see how that goes.
Probably yourself and that on the way back.
Yeah, so do you want to carry them over for me? Sure. Big shout out to Chris BRC for cleaning and prepping my tyres. He's driving the pink car. Turns out to be my main competitor the rest of the day. I thought I was, I don't know, he was supposed to be away there. Just going to let this one play on for a bit. Bear in mind the pink car is Chris and he is in the lead at the minute. It was anybody's race. Our lap times were only a couple of tenths away from each other, and there's still a few minutes to go, and believe you me, it gets a bit more exciting. The lead swaps a few times. Stay tuned just to see how we get on. Oh. Nerves are shot now, I can't even hold the wheel for shaking. Oof. Hey, thank you very much. Car's like night and day. Well, that was much better. Thanks very much, Chris, for sorting out the tyres. I can actually drive now, but I don't know why. My hands, honestly, my whole body is just absolutely trembling. But we're going to better run there. I'm hopeful if I can keep the car together and keep it between the hedges. Well, they're not hedges, the barriers. Maybe, fingers crossed, I'll do alright today. So let's watch a few laps of these fast guys, and then we'll cut to the first of my 3 finals, which, let's just say, was more than exciting, and the rest of the day's events were extremely tight. Well worth watching, and let these play for a while, and I hope you enjoy. Yes, this is going to be a bit intense. Right. Deep breaths.
Best lap of 13, 0, 5, 9, 7. Best lap of 12, 8, 3, 9, 6. Best lap of 12, 7, 1, 3, 6. Best lap of 12, 1.
That's very off-putting, that dancing. It would be alright if it was good. It's hard to tell at the minute, but I am actually in the lead with Chris in the pink car behind me. The blue car we're coming up on here is a back marker. As you can see, I think the blue car is kind of holding me back, and I'm having to change my driving style, and it's caused me to make a few mistakes. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Should the blue car have moved sooner to let me continue on? Did he do anything wrong, or do I just need to be better at overtaking?
Oh, what?
How's things, Chris?
Alright, so far.
We're having a game of rate the pit bench on YouTube here.
Nope, nope, hang on, it's not complete yet.
Oh, it's not complete.
No, you get in the main man there.
Oh, the main man. Mr. Spark RC. We haven't seen him yet, so we'll go and see him in a minute.
He's hiding.
I hope that's YouTube you're watching.
Yep.
We've visited here before, but we're doing an impromptu visit. We're doing a pit bench rating game here.
Oh, absolutely. Hold on. We'll put everything back again there, so well to make it all look good.
We'll have to walk away and come back again. Right, we're doing a pit bench competition here, right? And this is Mr. Spark RC himself. Stephen has, what have you, 7 printers on it though? Are we allowed to say that?
Yeah, we are, as long as my wife doesn't get the
Right,
same
okay.
video, yeah, it's okay.
Oh,
The new-
is this the new latest thing?
The car stands.
Very nice, car stands printed, two different colours. That's not even in, I thought that was an inlay.
No, it is literally a printer that can print in different colours.
Oh, that's phenomenal. I hope that, I'm going to go out and in case this doesn't get that. That isn't inlaid, that is smooth, that is actually 2 different colours, that's phenomenal. Wow. Whose is this, bench?
So that's Mr. Bickerstaff,
Oh, right, okay.
or Sir as we like
Sir,
to call him,
Sir.
since he's running race control today.
Right, okay. Somebody's just called me there. I should be on the start line. Too busy talking. Hopefully we'll make it for the start of the race. Better run. Forget these. I haven't eaten any of that saucy stuff. Huh? Totally forgot.
20 seconds to start.
This is going to be interesting. Do you think my tyres will heat up?
Maybe by the end.
Oh no.
7, 6, 5, 4. First lap of 12, 6, 8, 2 minutes to go. Positioning in 3 minutes. Car 1, car 2, car 3, car 4. One minute to drive.
Does that count as a move or did I take you out?
30 seconds to drive.
I know it is, I was just trying to get round.
One. Position. One. Car. 123 laps. Position. 2. Car. 3. 22 laps.
Okay, so back to the pits. Same repair as last time. Nothing broke, just the threads pulled out of the hub. Screwed it back in. No idea if it'll hold, but let's head to the last final of the day.
Let's make it a clean one.
The best lap of 12, 3, 5, 4, 7. The best lap of 12, 3, 0, 4, 6. The best lap of 12, 3, 2, 4, 6. The best lap of 11, 9. And the best lap of 11, 12, 7, 8, 7, 8
That's pretty work, like we have no marshals on the track. Oh, you... I wasn't going to get it like that.
Appreciate the sportsmanship there.
Oh man, that was close. That was close. That was mad.
I don't like the pressure.
Oh, that was nuts to catch up with Chris after that calamity at the start and the hub falling apart. And do you know what? That was some race. I could have got it at the end. I don't know. I'll need to watch the footage back. I think that might have been a, you could say racing incident, maybe a dirty move. Don't know. Need to watch it back. But I wasn't going to win by taking somebody out literally a metre from the finish line. So, it'd be interesting to watch it and see what was what. Anyway, this is the last A final of the Blinky 17 and a half turn. So let's watch them and see what happens.
While we're watching these guys finish the race, I just thought I'd give my viewers the opportunity to save themselves 5% in Rennick's Model Tune. I have a physical store, an online shop and worldwide shipping. And if you use the link in the description and type in Tim's RC Surgery special discount code TRCS, you can avail of the 5% discount on anything in the store. Not only will that help you, but it'll help support the channel. Go check them out for any parts, accessories or cars you might want. And that just about wraps it up for this video. I've learned quite a lot about RC touring car racing. I've learnt you need to take care of your tyres and scrub them in before you go out on the track with new ones. I've learnt that it's not very easy to pass and you're trying to make split-second decisions in a short time. Sportsmanship means a lot. If you do wreck somebody, pull over to the side, let them pass and then continue on the race. If there's a faster guy behind you, and you're being lapped, pull over, let him pass, let him get on with the race. Other than that, it's all about having fun, and that's exactly what I have been doing, and I cannot wait to get back for the next race at Ulster Model Car Club. Check them out on Facebook, check out their website, and if you're wondering, are you good enough to go racing? Of course you are. Everybody has to start somewhere. There's a class for everyone. Give them a shout, come see me, and maybe we'll get a race sometime. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.